up guys, it's Semi aka Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live, because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out. Okay, with that said guys, so you already know what day it is guys. It is Wednesday. So what does that mean? Wednesday websites. And I got another great video for all my content creators or live streamers. I got a great one right behind me, and as you can see the name of it in the corner right there, it's called Zapsplat.com. You go to that website, I'll bring it to the website right behind me. And what this website is a bunch of great free sound effects to add to your stream, your videos, and royalty-free music if you want to play in the background of any of your videos, or while you're gaming or live streaming or whatever you're doing, you want to have music in the background. They have royalty-free music here that you can use and download, and it's not going to hurt you, because you know how YouTube is. If you use YouTube and you're streaming on YouTube or you're making a video, when it comes to music, you got to be careful of that, because you can get copyrighted there real quick. And if you are making money off of YouTube, then that'll screw up your analytics. Or if it's a very high popular music, your video could get just deleted. Like, no, you got copyright music, delete the music, or we're not gonna let you upload on here. It happens. It happened to me before. I've seen it happen multiple times, guys. It's just, this is the way it is. And there's other platforms that has copyright music not allowed, but hey, it is what it is. So Zapsplat, the one right behind me, we're gonna take a look at it right now, show you how to use it and what is it about. It's a very cool website. So I'm gonna shrink myself down now. So as you can see, the website, and you see it's like a guy working on like a music studio, and it has over 700 sound effects package on here guys. You get a bunch of over 800 royalty-free music. So you have a lot of selections, whether you like any kind of genre you have, it's all here. You can log in and register, but again, it's all free. As you see, free sound effects. So you can find sound effects here. On top here is the homepage, which is here. And you got your sound effects here. You got a whole bunch of sound effects you could go through here. And then you got your music. You got royalty-free music or music package. Unique music, royalty-free that you'll not find. So you got different stuff here, guys. It's tons and tons. So let's take a look at the music. That's the main thing that I like to use it for. The sound effects, I can get that anywhere. I've shown you many other websites for that, but we'll take a look at that as well. So here's a bunch of stuff here. Our royalty-free music category right here. You can check it. You can do children's stuff, carefree stuff, happy birthday celebration music, Brazilian music, big beat music. You got a bunch of that cartoon funny music. You got a bunch of stuff here that you can go through. So I'm gonna click on the big beat music, and then you go there, and then you got all these selections here. Look at all this, guys. Look at all this music right here for you to check out. So let's say you find one that you like. So you want to say, oh, I want to take a look at this one. Let me listen to it. You listen, you can see it tells you how long it is, 3.5 minutes, what's called dark harmonics, and then what it falls under. All right, I'm not gonna play the whole thing because I don't want to get into it too much. But again, what kind of falls under? Falls under big beat, electronica, and royalty-free music. So let's say you listen to it, like, oh yeah, I like this song. Very simple. If you have a account created, you're logged in, you can save it to your list. It's from here. Or if you just want to download, you hit download right here. You can download in two formats, either MP3, which is the most generic way, more popular way to do it, or a WAV. Okay, so you hit download here, and you pick the one you want, MP3 or WAV. Whatever format you want, you pick it. So I'm gonna pick MP3. Once you can do here, you log into your free account so you can download it, okay? Or purchase it instantly for £6. So if you want to buy it while I log in, you can just do it from here. We're gonna log into it. All right, so log in. Once I log in, it'll bring me here. Boom. Click on that. So I'll bring it here, and then if I want to go back to the beginning again, let's go back to the same thing. Music, royalty-free music. Actually, yeah, royalty-free music. Big beat. Just pick one, and then you, like I said, I was working on this one right here, dark harmonics. If I want to download it, do the same process, and it's gonna generate it, and boom, download the free one right here, boom, download it, and that's it. And I'll start downloading right here, and then you have the music right there for you guys. Look at that, right there, easy peasy, right there. Open it up so you can listen to it again. Let me see if it opens it up for me, because sometimes my player doesn't play. Okay, so I have it here. I have it muted. That's the song that we were listening to earlier. So there you go. I have it right there, guys. Very, very simple, guys. Very simple. Now let's take a look at some of the sound effect packages. Let's take a look at that. You got a whole bunch of stuff here that you can pick from. Very simple. Let's go with game sounds. Very popular because what people want to do, play some sound effects for the games. You could do it here. Let's see what this sounds like. Audio Hero. A minute and a half, which is, I'm surprised it's that long. All right, let's see. This one's 40 seconds. It's a coin collecting sound. I mean, if you have the proper software, you can cut it down if you want. But then I thought these were short. Okay, this one's an 18-second one. This is a very short one. So you got tons of stuff that you guys can play around, look through, and see if it's something that you'll enjoy, guys. Just wanted to show you another great way to get all your sounds for your videos or live stream. Great site, guys. Tons of stuff. And it's free, guys. Just register to be able to download it or pay for that premium version of $6, and then you'll be set. So there you guys go. Very easy to use, simple. I went through the whole process for you. Not hard to use, guys. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today, guys, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Until next time, guys, we're out of here. Peace.